So last time I was talking about this longboard, one of the trucks blew up. I don't know if you can see it in here, but yeah, this bushing blew out. This bushing in the kingpin blew out. And I like the way it rode well enough. It's a little short. With the combination, I probably could use bigger than 60mm wheels. I believe these are 60s anyway, if I remember right. Probably could go up to a 70, but it's what I got, so I'm not doing it. But I found a good deal on eBay for a set of Parvus trucks, and they just happen to be in red, which kind of goes with the theme with the wheels and red grip tape. Yes, they are all different shades of red. Yes, the world will come to an end, I know. But yeah, hey, they were on sale. It was a good price. I want to say with shipping, it was right about 30 bucks for the pair, maybe a little more than that. So I think this is pretty good. I got to remember when I install them that these go, these go this way. So hopefully I don't install them incorrectly. I'm sure that if I do install them incorrectly, everyone will know and be more than happy to tell me in the comments, because I know that like 4 people actually check out my YouTube channel, which has very little action and adventure on it. Also, an update, and it's on order. It hasn't showed up yet. I actually ordered an action camera, small bullet action camera, so that I can do strap it to the board, either this one, my other one, whatever, and do like ground level shots, because I think that'll be a little bit more interesting than using my waistband mounted cell phone camera. Could be wrong, I don't know. I am also decided that I'm going to get my ollies down, so you will probably see a lot of really craptastic videos of my shins and feet in my driveway, popping the deck, sliding the foot, and hopefully eventually putting it all together and actually doing an ollie. Now, I haven't done an ollie since, I graduated in 97, so I'm going to say about 1998, 1999 was the last time I did an ollie. Hopefully this stuff comes back to me pretty easy. You know, if not, I will break my ankle and break my face and bust my ass and be just like 99% of the population. Okay, everything's together. Time lapse is done. Wheels spin good. I guess it's about time to go test it out. I'm gonna speed up the assembly for the video, so hopefully you'll be able to see when I held the damaged bearings up, or not bearings, excuse me, the bushings up. You'll be able to see what was broken, what little was left of the actual kingpin bushing. I guess that's not kingpin, that's pivot. That would be the pivot ball. Okay. And if anybody's wondering, when I took the brush and was goobing around in there, that is for polyurethane bushings, like aftermarket stuff you put into cars, trucks, things of that nature. I do mechanical work for a hobby and for a trade, so I have that stuff around. But it is good, like on these bushings, you don't necessarily have to lubricate them. But in anything like this, where it's a ball socket, it's pivoting, stuff like that, a little bit of lubrication goes a long way. Just make sure you use something that's not going to destroy your bearings or your bushings. Damn, keep wanting to call them bearings. They're not bearings today, kids. They're bushings. Been replacing bearings all day at work, and you just want to make sure that it's compatible. You know, if you're using a polyurethane bushing cup, something like that, use something that's not going to eat into the silicone or eat into the polyurethane, things of that nature. If you're using natural rubber, you want to use something that's going to work with the natural rubber. Don't just stick any old lubricant on there, because not all lubricants are made the same, and not all lubricants work with different materials in the same way. Well, that's it. Yeah, it actually sits a little bit higher than last time. All right, now good. Driving around the driveway a little bit. Alright, that seems to work pretty good, actually. And it's a good bit taller than it was before. Before it was maybe only an inch or so off the ground. Now it's probably a solid 2 inches, maybe. I didn't actually measure it, as you can tell. But before, anytime that I would pivot it, even with my feet, I could get it to scrape the ground, and now it's not doing it. In that little bit of a, yeah, I don't have much of a driveway. But, alright. So there it is. The longboard is complete. Sans stickers, because I think that that bare deck is just going to get covered in stickers over the years. But that's definitely a good board to take traveling, you know, cruise around parks, things like that.